Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve effective communication in WhatsApp. We'll dive into the essential strategies that can transform your messaging experience, making it more productive and less overwhelming. Discover how to leverage WhatsApp's powerful tools to connect with others, manage your conversations, and ensure your messages always hit their mark. Get ready to unlock the full potential of this popular platform. To truly master WhatsApp, strategic messaging is key. Start by organizing your contacts into meaningful groups, whether for family, work, or hobbies. This helps you send the right message to the right people. Also, explore broadcast lists for one-way announcements to multiple contacts without creating a group chat. These simple steps can significantly enhance your communication efficiency and impact. Enhancing engagement on WhatsApp goes beyond just text. Incorporate rich media like photos, videos, and voice notes to make your messages more dynamic and expressive. Don't forget to utilize WhatsApp status to share quick updates or moments with your contacts, keeping them informed and entertained. A prompt response time also shows respect and keeps conversations flowing smoothly, fostering stronger connections. To truly optimize your WhatsApp flow, remember to back up your chats regularly. This protects your valuable conversations and media. Also, manage your notifications wisely to minimize distractions and maintain focus throughout your day. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, there's a fantastic resource available. Check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. These practices ensure a smooth and productive WhatsApp experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.